Want to read the Quran faster? Mastering just 6 letters will unlock most words in the Holy Book. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn Quran. Today we add RVK alignment to your alphabet. First, fev or fe, pronounced like the F in fun. Next, ki quaf. This is a heavy K from the back of the throat, not the light K of calf. Third, K calf, just like K in kind. Then a lam sounds like L in lake. Fifth, M mim, like M in mother. Finally, in nun sounds like N in night. Repeat each 3 times. F, 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 k, 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 li, L, li, M, nun, N, nin. Let's see these letters in action. First, fi means in it. Here fi adds the preposition and the F is the first letter. Next, com means nation. Notice the heavy K sound of ki. Then kitab means book. The K is light. After that, lasa means moment. The L is a plain L. Next, masjid means mosque. The M sounds like M. Finally, najam means star. The N is a soft N. Repeat each word twice slow. Fi, qom, kitab, lahtha, masjid, najm. Now repeat after me. Fa, you say fem, qa, you say qa. Ka, you say kai. Sa, you say L. M, you say M. N, you say N. Keep going. You're doing great. You just learned the 6 workhorse letters. F, K, K, L, M, N. Tomorrow we finish with H, Y, E, A, and then your alphabet will be complete. Keep practicing tonight, and you'll read the Quran with confidence. Subscribe for the next lesson.